In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to fix the 404 page not found error on GitHub. This is a common issue with GitHub Pages and it can often be resolved by checking your page's configuration. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel where you'll see your repositories. Click on the repository that's experiencing the 404 error. Once you're inside the repository, look at the top toolbar and click on Settings. This is where you'll find the configuration options for your repository. In the Settings page, look at the left sidebar and scroll down until you find Pages. Click on it to open your GitHub Pages settings. Now, look for the branch section. This is where you choose which branch GitHub Pages should use to publish your website. Click the branch drop-down menu and make sure it's set to main. If it's set to another branch or none, select main. Next, look at the folder drop-down menu beside it. Make sure this is set to root, which tells GitHub Pages to use the root directory of your selected branch. Once you've selected main and root, click Save to apply the changes. GitHub will now process the configuration and rebuild your website. This may take a few moments, so give it some time to finish. Once the deployment is complete, you should see your GitHub Pages site URL. Click on the link to open your website and check whether the 404 error has been resolved. If you're still seeing a 404 error, make sure your repository contains an index.html file in the location you're publishing from and that your page's source is configured correctly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed a 404 page not found error on GitHub by checking your GitHub Pages configuration. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.